How would you rate my Volvo donut?
The Volvo is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Uh-oh.
Oh, he doesn't want to move now.
Oh, fuck. You need a push?
No, I'm good.
Oh, no, you're out. I can pull up my doorbell and see if they plowed my street. Because if they haven't plowed my street, then they haven't plowed up.
GoPro time.
GoPro time. Stop getting traction, you fucking car. I'll maybe get traction now. This car is actively trying to murder me.
Ah, I didn't connect it.
Oh, it lost the seatbelt.
Oh. I wanted to connect to the corner, but I ran out of momentum because I also didn't want to end up at the bottom of the field.
That's a bad place to end up. No cap.
The peak strat.
Ooh, good angle.
The strat with a Charger is just minimal throttle because otherwise it gets too pissed.
I hooked on the fucking on some of the dirt or pavement that opened up from you.
Yeah?
And it sent it into stability.
Oh.
Just straightened everything. Like, I can feel it grabbing the brake.
Yeah?
And it's like, stop grabbing the brakes, bro. Stop grabbing the brakes, bro. And I find myself sliding towards yet another dumpster.
Oh. A little too much. Almost ended up in the bank. Snowbank.
Oh my god. The stability control needs to chill the fuck out.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull up here before I fucking break something. Sheesh.
Oh, I got it to turn off track control all the way.
No shot.
I don't know why, but it's off all the way now.
Here, don't hit me, I'm coming back.
Hey, do you want to come record stuff?
Hold on. Here, watch me, so I feel good about myself. Here, ready?
Oh, nice. I was gonna tandem, but then I ran out of angle and space.
Yeah, I'll record now.
All right, here we go. Yeah?
Recording's probably shit.
Hey,
but
still.
I tried. I took a couple of videos. Are my wheels full? Oh wow, that's surprising. My house.
Yeah, I might do like 1 or 2 more loops because I have traction control all the way off somehow.
Oh, go for it.
All right.
I'll follow.
Okay, okay.
Gently.
Gently. What? All good. All good. I was worried because I bumped it in a little bit, but yeah, all good. All right, I should probably calm it down now.